This is cause number M331272, case to style of the state of Texas versus Horatio Elias Mendoza. Mr. Mendoza, is that your full name? Okay,
Horacio Elias Mendoza.
okay. How are you doing, Mr. Mendoza? You doing good? Now, Mr. Mendoza, your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney? You hired an attorney?
What you mean?
Did you pay for an attorney?
No.
Yeah, go get, hold on a minute. Just go have a seat. We're gonna get Jennifer. Just have a seat. Hey, court is back in session. This is cause number M331272, Case is styled State of Texas versus Horatio Elias Mendoza. Mr. Mendoza speaks some English, but he speaks Spanish. We have Ms. Jennifer Raji, who is present in court. She's interpreter for the court. Mr. Raji, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Raji, do you swear affirm to translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English to help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Raji?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Raji, we have Mr. Mendoza here. Now, Mr. Mendoza, his case was reset to give him an opportunity to hire an attorney.
Okay.
Ask Mr. Mendoza if he has hired an attorney.
Okay, he said that the lawyer's been busy, so, but he does have an appointment at 2:30 today to speak with her.
Okay. Okay. Tell Mr. Mendoza that his case is going to be reset. Give him an opportunity to hire his attorney. And once he gets to reset, he'll be free to go and tell him to have a blessed day.
Dice que lo van a dar, ver su cita para un tiempo, como la cita con él, y
Okay. Please stand over here. And thank you, Mr. Raji.
Yes.
This is cause number M326366. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Diego Angel Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Rodriguez? You doing okay? Mr. Rodriguez, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams, who is appearing.
I'm here, Judge.
Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Doing well.
That's good. The state is represented by Attorney Kobe Hallfire. Attorney Hallfire, how are you doing?
Good, yeah.
And the probation officer office is represented by Mr. Gary Gilliam. And Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing? Mr. Hallfire, what is the state's recommendation in this court, in this case?
Judge, the state's recommendation
Was a revocation? And Mr. Adams, what is your announcement?
Judge, I just wanted one more reset on that case. I know Mr. Hopper is moving for revocation, and I know my client right now is injured. I know he's on crutches. Rodriguez.
You have any objections?
I don't have any objections to one more recently, obviously injured in court, Judge.
Okay.
We'd like to do something with it.
Okay. Now, Mr. Adams, what were you getting ready to say?
No, that's what I was gonna say with him being injured.
Okay. Okay, give us a reset on Rodriguez. He's on the MTRP docket.
Just, I just want to reiterate that this, as we did in this case, the defendant can't show up by Zoom or remotely.
Right, he has to be here in person. Okay. June 28th. Mr. Adams, this case is going to be reset to June 28th of 2023. Your
Okay.
reset will be sent to you, and Mr. Rodriguez will get his reset here in court. Mr. Rodriguez, you're going to get your reset in court from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please stand, please have a seat in that chair and wait for the court coordinator to call your name.
All right, thank y'all.
This is your last case. You're free to have a blessed day.
You too.
You're welcome.
John.